Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today this just came in and we are now going to cut it open to see what it is. Well, obviously everybody knows, but yeah. So there it is. So basically, yeah, this is a normal Hopper grain car. I think the box is open just a little bit, but oh well, I'm not fussed about that. Alright, let's get it open anyway. Oh, that's new. Oh, that feels satisfying. Alright. So yeah, a BNSF closed hopper. Hang on. HOACF center flow hopper. Yep. Okay. So I ordered this because, well, I think it's about time I build up a freight train, isn't it? Because I'm kind of getting tired of seeing same cars running around. Well, maybe not too tired, but just to see something new on this freight train. So yeah, let's hook it up to the freight train. I'm gonna keep saying that, aren't I? Okay, I got the camera set down and I'm gonna set this new BNSF hopper on track. Like so. Pretty freewheeling, and metal wheels too is what I really like. I really do like the printed detail on this thing. And it's not a review, by the way, because I hate doing those. And is there hair on the... Yep, that's a bit of hair already. Huh. Or dust. I think it's dust. I'm gonna get some tweezers to get that off. There we go. And there we go. Yep. Alright, now I can put it back on. Yeah, this thing rolls really nice. All right, let's get a couple up to there. And get the CSX hopper, a couple up to 2 boxcars. And there we go. So even though the length of it hasn't grew, whoops, sorry. Still sort of the same as it is, but hey, I'll live with it for a little while. All right. Now time to get the -9 out of her bed. Come on. There she comes. This new controller is just fantastic. I freaking love it. I love it, man. Alright. There we go. Now let's see if it's coupled. In fact, it's not moving. There it goes. Give it a nudge. Yes, it is coupled. Let's watch the train go by. Alright. So already, that new hopper's looking fantastic. I really gotta buy some more of freight cars to build up this freight train. And while I'm at it, I should get another diesel to help the -9 pull the heavy consoles. Oh yeah. I'm loving it already. Very nice. Far away distance shot. Well, everybody, that'll just about sort of wrap it up for this unboxing. I know it's kind of short, but hey, it's a piece of rolling stock. I don't think anybody would care that much. Yeah, hope you enjoy it anyway, nonetheless. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. I'm gonna let this train run past by here one more time. Wait for it. Alright, I see it coming. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, everybody.